guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Ironman Infinity Craft. So in order to do that, we just need to add in here a water. Now since we already have water right here, let's head over and add another water. Now we have a lake. Now on this lake right here, let's add another water. Now we have the ocean. So from in there, head over and then add another water. And now we have a fish. Now, since we already have a fish right here, let's head over and then put in a fire. Now we have sushi. Now, let's set that aside for now. So, the next thing to do is we need to create another element. So, click on water right here. On this water, head over and add in earth. Now, on this plant right here, head over and add in wind right here. So, let's add that. Now we have dandelion. Now, on this dandelion right here, let's head over and add in here a fish. Now we have pufferfish. So since we already have that, let's merge that to sushi, and now we have poison. Now on this poison right here, let's head over and add in here another poison. Now we have toxic. Now next, head over and add in here another poison again. Now we have venom. So let's set that aside for now, and let's create another element again. So from in here, let's head over and add in here a wind. Now on the wind, let's add in an earth. Now we have dust. In this dust right here, let's head over and add in here another earth. Now we have the planet. So since we already have a planet right here, let's add another planet. Now we have a star. And on the star right here, let's add another star. Now we have a galaxy. Now on this galaxy right here, let's head over and then click on another star. And then let's merge that right here. Now we have the universe. Now on this universe right here, let's merge that to Venom. Now we have Spider-Man. So in order to turn that Spider-Man into Iron Man. So what we can do is we can actually head over and create another element. So on the Spider-Man right here, let's head over and put in here a fire. Now on this fire right here, let's put in here water. Now we have steam. Now on this steam right here, let's head over and just merge it under Spider-Man, and now we have Iron Man. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!